Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to clean up your data by removing duplicates in Excel. This feature is super helpful when you're working with large datasets. Let's get started. First, open your Excel file. For this example, I have a sample dataset with customer names, emails, and phone numbers. And as you can see, there are a few duplicate entries here. Next, we need to select the data range we want to check for duplicates. Now, head over to the top menu and click on the Data tab. In the Data tab, you'll see an option labeled Remove Duplicates. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up, where you can choose which columns to use when checking for duplicates. Excel will look for duplicates based on the columns you select here. Excel will let you know how many duplicates were removed and how many unique values remain. Click OK to close this message, and you'll see your cleaned up dataset. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've removed duplicates and cleaned up your data. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.